Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to See Glasgow TV. In 3D, may I remind you, as we did last year. And why are we here today? Well, for the scenery, of course. But is this scenery going to be here for much longer? It's one of these questions that we ask ourselves every 50 years, every 100 years. Is there going to be a comet? Is there going to be floods? Is there going to be this? Is there going to be that? Is there going to be a sale at Debenhams? We don't know, you know. But when we get to Luss, we expect to have a nice sunny day, picnic, and a bit of sunshine, as I said, but not 7 Celsius. 1 week and 2 weeks earlier, 28 Celsius. Now, does that not tell you something about climate change? Look behind me and you see up in the mountains, or Loch Lomond, the snow. Now the snow has come at the normal time of year, which it would arrive, just in time to settle about. But the flooding, if you look at the beach, there is no beach. You've got a generator at the bottom of the road running into Luss. And that generator is there, and there for one reason, to pump the water away from the road so the houses don't get flooded. So today's visit has been worthwhile. The cameraman's shaking like hell. I don't blame him. Sunglasses, are they any good? Not now, the sun's went down. But if you take a look up there, the sky, you see one of the reasons why there's so much climate change. It's all to do with fossil fuels and the use of chemicals, the use of oil, the waste of oil. We're given all this stuff. Mankind was given this stuff to take. What we've done in the last 150 years, we've thrown it all away. Sun's back out. As the cameraman can show you, he just needs to look at my face. Nice smile, I hope. You see the sun's blinding me. But yeah, in the last 150 years, we have wasted, almost emptied our source of fuel. It's lying, or was lying below us, called fossil fuel. So what are we going to do about it? I don't know. I'm not a scientist. Look at that there. Look, rubbish. People do not care for this planet. They drop the rubbish. Oh, I must say, this container's, well, I could drink that later on if I had the bottle. Well, I do have the bottle, but it's been opened. But there you go, recklessness. Leaving rubbish lying in the beauty spot. What does that tell you? Apart from the camera being at an angle, right, which is of no good to anybody. I'm getting a bit restless at the cameraman actually. I think he's on his cards soon. That means getting the books. Anyway, there's a example of what we're doing wrong. So I'm going to leave it at that just now. Unfortunately, a year ago when we came up here, the trees were given an autumn bloom. But with the change of weather, from 28 Celsius 2-3 weeks ago down to 7 Celsius, it's not right. You've got to ask yourself why, and we've all got to pull ourselves together and do something about this, or else this is what we're going to have. Rubbish everywhere. We ain't going to have this. There won't be any visitors. We'll all be stuck in our own places without any way of travelling, transport. That's the main thing, transport. The feeding of transport, whether it be with petrol, oil, electricity, using fossil fuels in this manner. And I keep going on about it, but to my heart's content, I can't help it. I drive a car, we all drive cars. Do we need to have them? Do we all need to have 2 or 3 cars each? Of course we don't. We'll talk more about this later.